Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSOD Tech. If you have ever come across this problem, which is a blue screen of death or BSOD on your Windows 10 computer, and you see this message on screen, luckily we have a possible solution for this problem. Both IT experts and experienced professionals can be thrown off the cliff when they encounter this irritating problem. With a few easy steps, it's possible to fix the blue screen on death without worrying too much or without too much trouble. First of all, we will go inside the system and check if there is any pending driver update. You can do that by going inside the Windows update. As you can see, we have this pending update which we will install at any point. And then second thing is you can go inside the device manager, and in the drivers section or in the display section, you can look for any pending update or any question mark or any error. If you don't see anything here, system devices, then you're good to go for the next step. So let's fix this by going into CMD. Make sure that you have admin access to CMD. So here we have to type sfc/scan now, and if there's any error, it will bring up on screen. And there you go, there is a system repair pending which requires reboot to complete. Restart Windows and run SFC again. So this is the same sort of issue which we are facing inside the Windows update. If none of these two solutions fix your problem, then it's time to reinstall fresh copies of Microsoft Windows 10, or even in the case of Windows 11, you have to refresh and reinstall the fresh copy of Windows. That's it for today's video. I hope this will fix your problem. Any problem or questions, do let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.